What's the meaning of Alcatraz? Alcatraz. 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 Alcatraz.
Alcatraz is a small island located in San Francisco Bay, famously known for the high-security federal prison that operated there from 1934 to 1963. The prison housed some of the most notorious criminals in U.S. history, including Al Capone and Robert Stroud, also known as the Birdman of Alcatraz. Today, Alcatraz Island is a popular tourist destination and is managed by the National Park Service. It offers visitors a chance to explore the island's history and its natural beauty, including stunning views of the city skyline and the Golden Gate Bridge.